Hello, students. Since I have completed all the 5 units for you, okay, now we are going to move on to the revision point. Okay, so this revision point is very much important because why I have come to this revision part is the first CIA and the second CIA. Okay, you have attended your CIA test on in an multiple choice question pattern. Okay, but the model exam you're going to write the model exam as well as the university exam you're going to write it in a descriptive manner. Got it? Okay. So when it is like multiple choice, you can go with an option these or that. Okay. Neither these or neither or not, so whatever the option comes, you make it the answer. Okay, but when it is comes under descriptive manner, okay, you have to explain all the 2 marks, the 5 marks, and the 10 marks. Okay, for the 2 marks, at least 5 to 6 lines, you have to write an answer like a definition. Okay, when it is like 5 marks, you have to answer at least 3 pages, 2 to 3 pages. When it is like a 10 mark question, to go for 5 to 6 pages. Okay. So when you're supposed to write the answer for 3 to 4 pages, 5 to 6 pages, you must know the content. Okay, when you know the content of the question only, you can fill the paper. Okay, simply you can't blabber something on the paper, or you can't scribble something whatever you want. Okay, you have to write the exact answer, then only you can score marks. Okay, for that purpose only what I have planned is I have planned for going for a revision from the fifth unit, likewise from the back, from in a descending order manner, like fifth, fourth, third, second, and first. Why I have chosen this descending order format is like as already we have saw an overview of part 1, like unit 1, unit 2. Okay, so when I go for part 3, it is like a long gap. Very recently you have watched the videos. Very recently I have taught you the fifth unit. Okay, so that when I revise it, you'll be having a touch, you can easily recall it. For that purpose only, I have chosen this kind of revision method. Okay. Okay, we'll move on to the move on to the revision. So the fifth unit. Okay, what is about the fifth unit in the data mining is it is about the analysis. Okay, the fifth unit is about two topics like analysis. In this unit, we'll be having two topics. Like one is like the two methods of clustering. What is one is model based clustering. The other is partition method. Apart from this, you have some advanced topic of data mining. Okay, advanced topic of data mining. What are the advanced topic we'll see first, then we'll see what is the partition method is. Okay, so first topic is like advanced topic. Under advanced topic, what are the topics we have covered is like web mining, web content mining. Okay, then web structured mining, then textual mining, spatial mining, time series mining. Okay, so these topics comes under this advanced topic. Okay, for spatial mining and all, I've given you a brief explanation. Okay, which is very useful when you extract the content from that and you write it in a 5 mark or 10 mark. Okay, that itself you'll gain more marks. Okay, okay. So first is like web mining. Okay, so the first topic have is the advanced topic of mining is web mining. What is an web mining is? It is one of the data mining process. Okay, we extract the information from the web documents and services. What we do in a web mining, the web mining, it is also one of the data mining. What we do, we extract the information, that is the main concept. From where we extract, normally in the mining concept we extract the information, but here we extract the information from the web document and the services. That is very much important. Okay, The other main purpose of web mining is discovering of useful information from the world wide web and its usage patterns. Okay, so when it is asked what is the main purpose of web mining, you have to write it. It is used for discovering useful information. Okay, from where we discover the useful information? From the world wide web and its usage patterns. Okay, so the next is what is the applications of web mining. Okay, so this web mining helps us to improve the power of web search engine by classifying the web documents and identifying the web pages. Okay, so the next is it is used for web searching, like search engines we use like Google, Yahoo, Bing, etc., and vertical searching, that is uh, flatlens, fatlens becomes etc. The other is web mining is used to predict user behavior. Okay, what here web mining they are telling us? Okay, automatically when you type when you go on to Google in the search engine, when you start typing what is mean by, okay, data, so automatically you'll be in the side by side you will be getting many predicted text, like what is mean by data mining, what is mean by data extraction, what is mean by data, etc. Kind of words will be automatically scrolled. Okay, so that is the thing saying in a web mining easily the user behavior is predicted. Okay, so where this web mining is very much useful. Okay, this is very particularly useful in website and e-services. Example like landing page optimization. Okay, so here what they are doing is they are classifying this web mining into three different types of techniques of mining. Okay, so this web mining, what they are doing, this web mining can be broadly divided into three different types of techniques of mining. One is web content mining, the other is web structure mining, the other is web usage mining. Okay, so when it is asked what are the types of web mining you have explain in detail in a 5 mark or 10 mark question, you have to explain all these three: web content mining, web structure mining, and web usage mining. Okay, there these are explained as below. So the explanation is given below here. So the first thing is web content mining. Okay, so what is an web content mining is? It is one of the application of extracting useful information from the content of the web document. Okay, so here what we are doing is we are extracting the content from the web. So that's why it is called as web content mining. Okay, since we are extracting the useful information from the web, it is called as that is from the web documents. It is called as web content mining. So here web content consists of several types of data, text. Okay, so here when we are extracting, we can extract several type of data. Like the data may be in a format of text, image, audio, or video. Okay, so the content data is a group of facts that a web page is designed. It can provide effective and interesting patterns about the user needs. Okay, here it can provide effective and interesting patterns about the user needs, in the sense what they are telling is uh, as per users wish. Okay, as per users wish, what the kind of data they are trying to extract, that kind of data is provided to them. Then text documents are related to text mining, machine learning, and natural language processing. This mining is also known as text mining. Okay, this web content mining, the other name of this web content mining is also called as text mining. This type of mining performs scanning, mining of the text, images, and group of web pages according to the content of the input. Okay, what this is uh, what this type of text mining performs, or what this kind of web content mining does is, this type of mining performs a scanning, mining of text, images, and groups of web pages according to the content. So according to the input which we give, uh, based on that the mining process is done here. I think this is enough for you for the clear explanation. Okay, apart from that, what you are going to do is, apart from that, not only listening this revision video is important. The separate videos are given for separate topics. Okay, you have to go through that also. Got it? Then only you can write the full answers. Here I have given the short notes just for your reference. Okay, it does not mean when a question is asked for when a question is asked explain about discuss write short notes on web content mining. Okay, only these few lines are not enough. Okay, you have to add more and more contents to this. Okay, then only you will get the full mark. The next question is the next topic is web structure mining. What is an web structure mining is? Okay, so this is also used for discovering structure application. Okay, so here you can see the structure of the web graph consists of web pages has nodes and hyperlinks as edges connecting related pages. Okay, structure mining basically shows the structure summary of a particular website. It identifies relation between web pages linked by information or direct link connection. To determine the connection between two commercial websites, web structure mining can be useful. Okay, so this what this web structure mining is like. You have a home page. When you search something, you get a home page. You get in that home page, you'll be getting multiple links. Okay, in that multiple links, what you get when you click one link, you'll be you'll be navigated to other page. When you click on the other when the get navigated page, you'll be taken to some other page. Okay, so what they are telling is it is like many nodes connected to it, in a tree structure you can see a main node will be there. Okay, sub nodes like a parent node, siblings. Okay, then child node. So bas- apa- along with that child node, you'll be getting more nodes. So in this structure web page is designed, you'll be having a home page. In that you'll be having many links. When you click a link, you'll be navigated to another page. In that navigated page, you'll be having another some other link. So you'll be keep on navigated. Okay, so how these web pages are connected to one another, how these hyperlinks have been created, why when I click on this page, why I am navigated to that particular page, what is the relationship between these. Okay, this kind of informations are structured in web structured mining. Okay, so the next is web usage mining. The next is web usage mining. What is web usage mining? We'll see. So the next topic is web usage mining. Okay, sorry, web usage mining. What is an web usage mining is? Okay, so web usage mining is the application of identifying and discovering interesting usage patterns from large data sets. Okay, so that is what they are doing is here is they are extracting, so say extracting the patterns. Okay, so they are forming patterns from the large database. Okay, and these patterns enable you to understand the user's behavior or something like that. In web usage mining, user access the data on the web and collect data in the form of logs. So web usage mining is also called as log mining. Okay, very simple for your understanding. Okay, extracting patterns in the sense what they do. uh, they will be taking a particular website. Okay, they will be calculating an average, how many users have visited in this website in one particular week or in one particular month. Okay, then what is the age between age of the persons who have visited this website, and for what purpose they have visited these websites. Okay, very whether they have downloaded any important pages from this website, how much this website this web page or website is effective for them, in what way it is effective. Okay, so making such kind of calculations. Okay, that is called web usage mining. The other name of web usage mining is also called as log mining. Okay, then we'll see the difference between data mining and web mining. Very important concept. Okay, in a definition form, we'll see first in a form of definition. Data mining is a process that attempts to uh, discover patterns and hidden knowledge in large data sets in any system. But web mining, what is an web mining is? Web mining is the process of data mining technique. Okay, so data mining is a whole process, but web mining is one of the process in data mining technique. Okay, and to discover to automatically discover and extract information from web content document. Okay, so here the it is done only in a web document, but here it is done in the whole data set, in a large data set. Okay, then applications where this can be used. Data mining is very useful for web page analysis. Here web mining is useful for a particular website and e-services. Okay, so this is analyzed for web page analysis, but this is used for one particular website and e-services. What is the target of the users? Okay, what is the target? Okay, of the users. Who are the targets here? Okay, the data scientists and data engineers, they are the target users here. So it is nothing but who are the users of the data mining. Okay, so the data scientists and the data engineers. Okay, here in the web mining, who are the target users? Okay, the data scientist along with the data analyst. Okay, the next is who can access this data mining. Data mining is access data privately. Okay, so here there are restrictions for accessing data. Okay, so all the users cannot go and extract the data what they want. Okay, only this is in a very private manner, not in a public manner. Not all the users can access the data from the database. So data mining is a private thing, but web mining is access data publicly. Whoever want, they can just go to the web browser, they can log in, they can open the search engine which they want, and they search the thing which they want. Okay, it's their wish, it is a publicly used. Okay, then in data, what is the structure in data mining? Get the information from explicit structure from the outer structure, but in web mining get the information from the structured, unstructured and semi structured web pages. Then problem type. Okay, so what kind of things we saw in data mining? We see, so clustering analysis we saw, classifications we saw, regression, prediction, optimization and control. This all comes under the type of data mining. But in the type of web mining, what we saw: web content mining, web structured mining and web usage mining. And uh, what are the uh, algorithms, or what are the languages we use here? It includes machine learning tools. That is, what are the tools we use here? Okay, what are the special tools we use here? We have to see. Okay, the special tools which we use here is tools. It is tools. The tools which we use here is like machine learning algorithm, but here we have special tools like Scrappy, PageRank and Apache Logs. For web mining we have these tools. For data mining we have machine learning algorithms. Okay, so the next is skills. Okay, it includes approaches for data cleansing, machine learning algorithm, statistics and probability. So these things are performed. Data cleansing is the can be done, machine learning algorithm can be done, and statistics problem. Here also we go and we do the data mining operations. Okay, here it includes application level knowledge, data engineering with mathematical modules like statistics and probability. So this is the difference between uh, data mining and web mining. So you may be asked about what is the difference between a data mining and web mining also. So you must maximum this is question can be asked in a 5 mark, right? Write the difference between the data mining and web mining. What is the difference between the data mining and web mining? Okay, this kind of question also can be asked for you. And the next question is, like, so we saw about web content mining. Okay, here you have a brief description when it is asked like what is web content mining. This is the next topic. Okay, so as I told you earlier, okay, this web content mining can be asked in 10 mark also. When it is asked in 10 mark or 5 mark, you have to give this much brief explanation. Okay, so what are the brief explanation you have to give in web content mining is, what is content mining is you have to tell. Okay, the next is like what is the third point that we have mentioned, we about structured data. that is, in internet the structured data usually exist in three formats. One is like unstructured data, semi structured data, and structured data. What are these three? It is explained here. Okay, then the two different approaches to web content mining, this also to be explained. Okay, when it is asked in 10 mark, then how web content mining works, that also you have to explain here. The business impact of web content mining. Okay, the features of web content mining. Till this, when it is asked in 10 mark, you have to write. Okay, then the next is like the question is structure mining. Okay, this structure mining question is also important. Okay, and it is moreoverly it is asked often. Okay, so regarding this structured mining explanation, we'll see in the next video. Okay, I have a remaining spatial data mining and partition K mining. These things we'll see in the next video. With this, I'll stop the content. Okay, so be prepared. Day by day, you prepare at least one or two questions before you're approaching for the descriptive pattern of examination. Okay. Okay, so with this I'll stop this video. We'll see in some other video. Thank you.